Hi, welcome to Sandy's Reiki Care. Hope all is well with you. I'm back with another thought-provoking video. Friends, do you wish to have a deeper understanding of yourself and the world? Well, to achieve this state of mind, we need to follow a life philosophy. I'm going to share few Zen Buddhist principles which will help you find happiness and meaning without changing anything. It is simply going to help you to transform your thoughts, which will then help you to take correct actions. It all begins on the inside by getting to know yourself, by letting go of the past and the regrets that go with it, handling stress and anxiety, dealing with unresolved issues that are blocking your clear thinking, and then setting goals accordingly. So before I share these wonderful Zen principles, a quick reminder to share and subscribe to my channel, that is Sandy's Reiki Care, as I always feel this is a great motivation, friends. So here are the Zen teachings that will help you live a life you can enjoy every day. First Zen principle says, suffering is inevitable, but you are the one who can end it. When life goes with death, illness and pain, there is no need to bring mental sufferings too by not letting go of the experience. Second Zen principle has, it says free yourself from attachment to fully experience life. You know, one when gets attached to their partner, to their belongings, career, hope and dreams of the past, then one is walking on the path of suffering. It means because one seeks happiness outside, where in fact it is already here and everywhere around us. But often one doesn't know when to attach and when to let go. You know, after a lot of exploring, I've realized the way is to let go. So be your best version. Make others happy by serving them, but do not get affected by negativity. Third principle is bring in peace and freedom by being in the present. One tends to live in the past or worry about the future. I don't know, does this happen with you all? Do share your experience in the comment section below. But the principle says let go of the past and future because they don't matter. We have only this moment. In fact, this principle was the foundation of the transformation for me, as even I had the habit of thinking about the past happenings and keep worrying about them, keep worrying about the future. But understanding the importance of the present moment, which has helped me to live in the present. Fourth, nothing is permanent. So if we can't really have anything forever, then we might as well make the most of the things we have. I always remind myself of this principle, and it has helped me to improve my relationships and always live in gratitude. Fifth principle says live simply. Friends, have you observed a Buddhist monk? They are truly contented and in fact own almost nothing. Their days are simple, they work hard, serve others, meditate, to rest and empty their mind. They have a light smile on their face all the time. They never complain, they never judge or have wishes to achieve more. So, best way is to live to be minimalist. The secret is in finding balance between taking action and being grateful and peaceful. So these are some of the principles which can be followed by everyone to live a holistic life. You can write them down and hang it on the wall. I have put them on my study table for daily reminder. Do share which of the principles you follow in your daily life. Thanks and bye for now.